Today we have a new unboxing on the channel. This is the OPPO Reno 14F 5G. It comes with artificial intelligence. The folks at OPPO Guatemala sent it to me. So go ahead and subscribe, it's free. It comes with 256 gigabytes of internal storage with micro SD expansion plus 12 gigabytes of RAM. Let's check out all its features and specifications. Something that also surprises me is that it has military grade resistance IP68, IP69, which means it can be submerged in 2 meters of water. So go ahead and really put it through its paces. Something we truly appreciate is that it also includes informative manuals and a fully transparent protective case, which I really like. We also have our device right here, and I truly love it because this design, wow, it's so incredibly elegant. Please take a look at that. We also have the rear, which features aerospace grade fiberglass construction, and it looks quite impressive. A camera mode that doesn't protrude too much. We also have a very nice camera design here, by the way, with a unique circle that makes it special. Then we also have here a weight of 180 grams, approximately 6.35 ounces, along with a thickness of 7.7 millimeters, which is quite good. The power control, featuring the volume up and down buttons, is placed in a very accessible position. And if you pay attention, you'll see we have a triple microphone here, and the device's corners are also smoothly rounded. Here we also have an infrared sensor, which we'll see if it works to change the TV channel. We also have dual speakers. Take a look. Now we're exploring its SIM tray. It's a hybrid, meaning you can insert a micro SD, a single SIM, or even dual SIMS. Moreover, it offers eSIM support for your mobile plans. Additionally, we have here the SIM tray ejector tool, along with its USB Type-C cable and its dedicated 45-watt charger to energize its robust 6000 mAh battery, and it also features convenient reverse charging capabilities. And something we truly appreciate is being able to see how our device appears with the protective case, which is precisely how it looks. Look, how elegant, by the way. You can perfectly show it off to your friends like this. Now let's check out its screen. It has 0 bezels on both the top and bottom. This device features a fully rounded 6.57-inch AMOLED display panel. Full HD plus resolution, it's super sharp and extra vibrant. It features a 120 Hz refresh rate. Additionally, it offers support for glove-friendly interaction, which is a great convenience, and a peak brightness that reaches up to 1400 nits. With that Full HD plus resolution, it provides us with 4K as the highest resolution on YouTube for watching videos, movies, streaming content, TV series, or even playing video games, which we'll demonstrate later. Just look at how stunning it appears. It truly looks quite gorgeous, by the way. Now let's explore its software and hardware. We've got Android 15 running here along with ColorOS 15. We have 2 security methods. One is the fingerprint sensor, which is in a great location, and facial unlock, which works quickly. We truly appreciate that feature. The operating system is exceptionally clean, and I particularly enjoy the ability to seamlessly share files with Apple devices now. Essentially, just bring it close and you're all set. We now have the option to easily share with devices like a MacBook Pro, for example. Additionally, we have ColorOS integrated running on the Android 15 platform. Regarding the processor, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. It has a 6000 mAh battery and 12 GB RAM, expandable to 24. And here we also have the Trinity engine. This is a graphics engine designed to unleash maximum potential, not just for games, but also functions as a performance optimizer for both RAM and ROM. This dynamic engine is truly excellent, folks, for delivering that peak performance. Moreover, we also have, for instance, a Hyper Boost feature that will provide us with various functionalities such as real-time FPS status, an integrated voice changer, and the convenient ability to seamlessly mirror this entire screen onto a compatible smart TV. We also have the system status displayed right here, which will show us the FPS, GPU, and CPU in real time. How's this processor? Look, it hits 90 FPS in Call of Duty Mobile multiplayer and Battle Royale. What also surprises me is that PUBG Mobile boasts impressive graphics and even supports 4K resolution. We'll do a performance test on it later. This is just an unboxing. We also have artificial intelligence for various functions, such as simultaneous translation identifying currently playing songs, and even circle to search. And we also have something I love here, AI Studio from OPPO. I've actually used it before and it really works. It grants us 5,000 stars which are provided monthly, allowing you to develop and create your sketches. You have the ability to transform into a professional gamer, perhaps embodying a character such as a pirate or anyone else you wish to grant that extra edge to. You know, you could even elevate yourself to the revered status of a Hollywood star. Behold, I'm a pirate in this scene. You yourself can accomplish the same effect merely by employing a single photograph of yourself. And you are also able to select two characters, meaning someone else could appear. And I truly adore that. If we navigate to the gallery section, we're able to improve the image, adjust its colors, and additionally, well, since it has photos in video or live photo mode, as it's known, we can also explore that and we'll delve into it in more detail later. Then we also have the unwanted object remover. I actually believe that's fantastic, folks. Slowly but surely we're learning to properly utilize it. You're viewing it right here. We are in fact analyzing it thoroughly. Ultimately, what will happen is it's going to provide us with a crystal clear image. We'll also put this to the test with an individual as it includes a person remover feature. This will give you a better sense of its future capabilities. Observe how it's leaving its distinctive mark there. So I believe this will ultimately be up to you regarding how you wish to leave it, and in the end, it manifested in this particular way. Alright everyone, that's a great result. We also have NFC here for sharing files, as well as making payments with a digital card, in other words, Google Pay. We also have this involves sharing the screen by connecting to a smart TV. In addition, we also have features like print, Chromebook, and the handy quick share functionality. For wallpapers and style, we have multiple always-on display options. I'm going to turn it on, by the way. We also have the option to change the fingerprint sensor animation, and in themes we have a ton, most of them completely free. You have the option to search for a font, a special theme like festival, religious, or game themes. Then, on the home screen, we find options like double tapping to unlock the device, raising it to activate the screen, and double tapping again to put it to sleep. Moving on to the navigation section, I personally prefer a 3-button setup, but you have the flexibility to select gesture navigation, which comes with a helpful, concise tutorial to guide you through the learning process. Then you. Here, I really like this feature because we have the capability to get a real-time transcription displayed in a mini window on the right-hand side. Here we have screen attention enabled, so if you stop looking at the screen, it will deactivate. However, as long as your gaze remains fixed on it, it will not turn off. We also have a screen color setting, you can choose whatever you like. We also have an app cloner for 2 Facebooks, 2 Instagrams. We also have a robust lock for banking applications, secured with a special code. I particularly appreciate this feature because if your hands are occupied, you can simply use convenient air gestures to navigate. Regarding the audio, we're equipped with dual speakers, 4D vibration, haptic feedback technology, and immersive 360-degree audio. Furthermore, we're provided with the capability to boost the volume by as much as 300%, a feature we will demonstrate momentarily. The sound quality is truly potent, with dual speakers, and it nearly hits 100 decibels. That's quite impressive. We also have, I genuinely appreciate this, the proximity sensor operates flawlessly. Additionally, we're equipped with the capability to run 2 applications concurrently, utilizing a small floating mini window. This feature allows us to expand or minimize the display, much like managing tasks within the Windows operating system. We also have the ability to run dual applications concurrently, which makes for excellent multitasking, and it offers us various convenient options, by the way. I really like this aspect of OPPO. This is truly the life of the party, just as it sounds. We have a triple sensor. The main one is 50 megapixels with OIS tech for optical image stabilization. And it also features excellent PDAF sensors. Specifically, this sensor is a Sony IMX882. The second sensor at 8 megapixels offers a 112-degree ultra-wide view with AF technology. This sensor is a 2 megapixel macro, and this here is a quad LED flash to help identify the scene, determining how we want our night mode photos. In essence, it achieves this through artificial intelligence. It's quite impressive, folks. We'll delve into it further in the review, and the selfie camera boasts 32 megapixels. It is also capable of capturing images while submerged, folks. Imagine that. We also have Pro Mode to adjust the ISO range white balance. For video, it goes up to 4K, 30 FPS or 1080p, 60 FPS. We love that. Then the selfie camera, yep, it goes up to 1080p, 30 FPS, and it's ultra stable. We also have an ultra wide mode for selfies with filters or color palettes. Of course, we also have it available here in 1080p and it functions perfectly. Color palette here too and retouching. Then of course we also have ultra wide angle photography, which goes from 1x, and we also have 2x optical zoom, and it goes up to 10x digital zoom. That's fantastic, everyone. We genuinely appreciate this, especially since we have numerous features here that we can utilize effectively and appropriately. Then here in photography, we also have ultra wide angle mode. This feature is indeed called live photo. How exactly does it function? Let's take a look. We'll check the gallery settings. It operates quite similarly to Apple's. Honestly, it looks like a still image captured from a video. It's truly quite impressive. And we absolutely love this feature because it enables us to make proper and correct use of it. You just capture a precise frame and there it is. It's really that simple. By the way, this device is the life of the party. In portrait mode, we have the option to modify the background blur interval to achieve our desired look. We've got night mode available, along with high resolution, a panoramic option, macro capabilities, slow motion, time lapse, and a dual view mode as well. Look, how exactly does it work? It's shaky, of course, because OPPO has integrated this into their devices for a very long time and they cost less. That's exactly right, you heard it. And here naturally we also have an underwater camera mode for you. Indeed, with its IP68 and IP69 resistance coupled with its highly potent LED lights, this gadget is truly in a league of its own, folks. This truly is the heart of the party. Watch closely. We'll even press and hold the power button and it will automatically begin to expel all water or any residual water from the speakers and its entire system, ensuring the phone remains completely undamaged. This is done to prevent any potential harm or damage to the device. And night mode is where its quad LED flash on the back will truly deliver its maximum potential. It truly depends on the environment to ensure we capture an excellent photograph, you see. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to subscribe, give it a massive thumbs up, and I'll catch you again for the full review and the performance test. See ya, make sure to subscribe.